Dude, I think you gave me a concussion. I need to go to the hospital, man. You hurt me. You hear me? Hey, cop, you hear me? I think I have a concussion. Made me smack my head off this fucking metal grate twice, dude. I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm hurt. I need to go to the hospital. Hey, is your body cam on? Is your dash cam on? I want to make sure it's recording this. Because, like, you smacked my head up against this grate, whipping around corners twice. You don't have my seatbelt on. And I think I have a concussion. Told you before we left that I didn't have my seatbelt on to be careful. You didn't listen. You went whipping around them corners. Now I'm hurt. Hope you file an incident report. Because I'm certainly going to fucking make sure that there's no one in the jail that I have a concussion from you smacking my head off that metal bar on multiple occasions on the way up here. After I told you that I did not have a seatbelt on and asked you to be careful. But you ignored me and decided you wanted to go whipping around corners recklessly, injuring me. fucking idiot. What the fuck, dude? Why do you keep doing that? Why do you keep whipping around towards fucking corners, smacking my head off these bars, dude? Why do you keep doing that? Fucking sadistic cocksucker. No wonder I fucking hate cops. God damn, every time I hear about one of y'all motherfuckers getting killed, it makes me smile a little bit. I hate you cocksuckers. You are just the most sadistic, evil fucking pieces of scum. You're just trash, man. You just feed off of other people. Your job is to fucking take advantage of other people. And the sad part is, the sick part is you just get some sadistic pleasure in hurting other human beings. Like, you're not brave heroes of law enforcement. You're fucking cowards. Every time you shoot some fucking unarmed black person in the back, what do you say? I was scared for my life. That's all you hear out of cops. I was scared. That's why I murdered the unarmed person. I was scared. I'm a brave hero of law enforcement. I'm scared. Cowards. Fucking disgusting. The fucking lowest fucking scum there is. Fucking police as an organization needs to be exterminated. Just fucking corrupt.